We are now going to install the Splunk SOAR connector. This can be found via our GitHub repo. As you can see, we document everything. Details the configuration variables required and all the actions that will be available to you once this is installed. You can see there the releases. Click on that one and download the tarball. Unlike most of our other ones, we're not going to be installing this via a Docker image. We have a different method for installing this. So into your Splunk SOAR console, home, then apps. Up in the top right hand corner, the button install app. We can now drag that tarball that we just downloaded, or of course click on the box and select it via Explorer. Once that's uploaded, press install. We now have to go to the unconfigured apps tab because of course we're yet to configure this one. So in here and then configure. First, we give it a suitable name. And then into asset settings. We can just take the URL of your login, eu.cloud.vmray.com, or of course us.cloud.vmray.com. Alternatively, it may be that you have an on-premise installation. And then we have to go and generate an API key. We're doing it via the automation dashboard, but you could do this via settings. Onto the SOAR dashboard, get an API key. Once you click here, this is of course the same settings that you'd see via analysis settings, but the automation category has been automatically set. I'm going to give it a suitable name. We could of course configure any of the defaults, but we're going to leave them as is for the time being. Hit save and you'll be presented with the authentication token. Copy that and paste it into the API key box here. Hit save and that's it. That's all we need to do. We can then press the test connectivity button to ensure that everything's set up correctly. And as you can see, connectivity test passed. So now we know the app is installed. We've got connectivity, the API key is correct. We're ready to make use of it.